to grow. He had a ball and bounced it twice. I said, "Can I play? That looks nice." He passed it over with a grin, and that's how friendships can begin. At lunch I saw a girl alone. I scooted over in a kind tone. "Would you like to sit with me?" She nodded and smiled happily. We built a tower tall and wide, then watched it fall and laughed with pride. We didn't know just what we'd find, but saying hello was sweet and kind. So if you see someone today who's standing still or looks away, just smile and say a soft hi there. You might make a friend if you dare.